Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. It has been a long time since I posted another video of the progress of our new house, and so today I decided to show it to you guys. This is a part 2 of a day in the life of a working mom. So we finally put up our Christmas tree, as you could see, and we moved our furniture a couple of times already. And I saw this on a Pinterest. I ended up doing like a theater living room theme. I know it's not, it's still in progress, but we're getting there. And there is Jazzy. This was filmed about 6 o'clock in the morning, and both of them are already up, and that's Stormy. And so again, we moved this furniture a couple of times, and finally I think this is the best spot for it. We moved the couch a couple of times, and so the entry table is still the same, it's still in the same area, and then we put up that stuff right there. We got that at Hobby Lobby. Of course, that's my late father-in-law. Isn't he handsome? And also, so we just have this. I always like plants everywhere, so I try to put that in each corner of the house. And this is my lucky bamboo tree, and I think it's dying because Stormy likes to eat it, so I try to watch her, not to disturb that. And we put out some lights outside. This is 6 o'clock in the morning, and it's still dark because it's the winter season here in Arizona. So we put up some lights. So we got that from Amazon. I will put a link down below. Also, we have our little Santa. We got that at the Dollar General. Most of our stuff from the Dollar General, except for the lights. So back inside the living room, and here you go. That Christmas tree is about 8 years old. We ended up using the one we have from the old house. And this nativity, I have this for about 10 years now. And it's just pretty. It's made of wood, and I got this window thing at the Target at like the $5 section. I think this was $3 a piece, so I bought two, and it's like, this is perfect for the nativity as a background, so just set perfectly. And Jassy painted this one during her birthday party, and she wanted to paint something, a ceramic, so we got that. It really looks pretty, as like have the tea light on, and you can see it's blinking, so it's pretty good. She decided to design or decorate a Christmas tree, so I decided to let her do her thing. So, and this is a little shelves that we got from Hobby Lobby as well. And we have most of our old furniture. Again, it's expensive to buy a new one, and I try to just navigate to what we have and just use that. And there's our kitchen, still unfinished. I mean, it's there, but still in progress, trying to decorate it more like an industrial, and more like convenient industrial, and more like a something that I could use, and not just to make it look pretty. And that's Jazzy's advent calendar she got from her Uncle Tom, which she eats chocolate every day. And I got that bar table from Overstock. I almost returned it, but then I realized it's gonna fit perfectly in the back of the love seat. So, and we have snowflakes. She arrived the first day of December. So, and I got this kitchen cart. Also, here's our kitchen. Kind of set it up a little bit. It's a little bit clustered right now. I'm looking to find a baker's rack, and I'm trying to decide where to go or where to buy it. They're expensive, so I'm trying to look at Marketplace and Facebook, or even Craigslist, to buy like a used one. I don't have to have a brand new one. And there's my plant as well. And again, that's how our kitchen right now. It's working in progress, but I think we're heading to the right direction. And I made a little coffee area. I'm still planning to have a coffee booth somewhere, a coffee bar and slash wine bar. But that's, again, maybe someday. It's just the money right now, it's pretty tight, so we're just trying to use what we have and try to make it work. And you don't have to buy all the furniture at one time, you just have to make it work in progress and do stage by stage. And I mean, as long as you have roof over your head, you have food to eat, you have a comfortable bed, then life is good. And we move Fishy right there because she likes to watch me when I'm cooking. And let me tell you, I got something from Costco. I like sweet sticky rice. I found this one, and man, so far it is so good. All you have to do is make your coconut sauce, your sweet coconut sauce, and you just pour that over to that cooked sticky white rice. Grab that from Costco, guys. It's really, really good. And so again, this is our kitchen, and that's a cart I got from, I think I got that from Amazon. The one that's covered in the corner, that's our bird. We're trying to cover because they're still asleep. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and we don't want to wake them up. So those are my two girls. There's Jazzy and there's Stormy. They just want to see what's going on. I kind of muted because I don't know what happened. It didn't end up recording my voice, so I just muted it and just voice over it. There's Stormy. I covered the couch because my dog likes to sit in the couch, so I don't care whatever what other people say about that. But and this is Milo. Want to say good morning. Yeah, to protect your furniture, and you don't want to kick out your pet, really. I mean, just cover it and let the pet sit in there, and you know they are part of the family. This is our hallway, and this purifier right here, it's really good. It just makes a lot of noise. We got that at Costco as well. And finally, I got my husband put in all Jazzy's pictures, her first professional photo shoot when she was 3 months old. This is Jazzy's room. I'm gonna show you this Christmas tree she got for $5 at Target, and also all the ornaments and lights, she got it at Target. This is absolutely pretty. I think the Christmas tree was $5, ornaments was $3, and so was the light. The light is really bright and it's so pretty, and I really like it because you don't have to plug it in, but you just need some batteries. I mean, you could buy those batteries at the dollar store. So this is Jessie's room. She likes something like dream catcher, so kind of find that at the Amazon. And there's one dream catcher right there. She's online class, so she have her monitor right there. So this is her room. I know it's clustered, but hey, it's a kid, you know, what can you say? This is her little area. She still have her old princess castle. And let me show you, see how bright that light is, and that is only $3, and they work really good from Target. So grab yourself one at Target. It's good for a small room, even for office. I think I'm gonna buy one for my office. So again, this is our living room right now. I think if you look back, I will provide a link down below of the first video that I posted about our house when we first move in. Everything, and this the bird again just covered Snow and Ava because they're still asleep. We don't want to wake them up. And again, thank you everyone for supporting our channel. Currently right now I'm drinking my coffee right here, as you can see, just hanging out with my two girls. I really hope you like this video, and I haven't posted any cooking video since my dad passed away. I kind of don't have that energy yet, but I will try to post some video. I promise everyone that I'm gonna start posting new cooking videos, a schedule, maybe once a week. I will try to do that. There's my little Jassy, so pretty. Here's our living room. Thank you everyone for watching. Here's Stormy. She's getting big. She's 8 months old already. She's so sweet, but she's so stubborn. Again, thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Keep an eye on a new video. I'm gonna start posting cooking video, I promise. And this time we're gonna do a holiday theme. It's going to be all Christmas and what food we celebrate in the Philippines. So keep an eye on it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, ciao.